COVID-19, the new coronavirus, is a global pandemic. Nigeria, Africa's largest and most dynamic economy, recorded her first case on the 27th of February 2020. Since then, it has attacked the world, leaving in its wake millions infected and thousands dead. Mantrac Nigeria has supported government's fight against the deadly COVID-19 by donating medical supplies to the Nigerian Center for Disease Control, state governments and other relevant states and federal agencies cutting across the key regions of the country. Mantrac, the authorized caterpillar dealer in Nigeria, together with NCDC, COVID-19 will be crushed. Wear your mask, wash your hands, and observe social distancing rules. Mantrac cares.